Ever notice food goes in cold but exits sizzling? How does that happen? Is there a tiny chef with a flamethrower? Nope, just microwaves shooting energy at 2.45 gigahertz. Inside, water molecules are tiny break dancers. The field flips them millions of times every single second. Even your shameful 2 a.m. cold pizza. All that shaking creates friction. Friction means heat. Microwaves heat from the inside out, ovens do opposite. Plate spins for even heat. No spin? Enjoy lava edges, icy middles. Metal forks equal instant kitchen fireworks. Use glass, ceramic, or microwave-safe plastic. So when leftovers reheat lightning fast, thank water molecules doing science's dance. Faster than any tiny chef.